Okay students, so in this particular question we are provided with a figure. PA and PB are tangents here, PA is tangent here, PB is tangent here, such that PA equals to 9 centimeter. This PA is given 9 centimeter and PAB angle PAB is given 60 degree. PAB is given 60 degree. Find the length of chord AB. Okay students, so what you can do in this, you can do this question in two ways. First, the long way, you can go with this, that you can have a center O here and meet these and then have this line here. Now what you have to do, you have to find, this will be 30 degree, this will be 30 degree. Why? Because this will be the bisector of AB first and second the angle bisector of angle APB. So if it's angle bisector of APB, 60 degree will be divided in two parts, 30 degree and 30 degree. So in first case, you can have this right angle triangle, name it Q here. Okay, so in AQP, you can have that sine theta, sine 30 degree, that will be equals to what? This perpendicular. So perpendicular will be equals to A. So you will be having AQ upon 9 centimeter equals to sine 30 degree, which is 1/2. So from there you will be getting this as 4.5 and similarly you will be having this as 4.5. So it will be 9 centimeter for sure. This is one method. Now I am talking about this simple method, or we can have some tricks over here so that you can easily find out this. Now this is 9 centimeter, AP is 9 centimeter, okay, and this is given 60 degree. Now if it is a triangle, so triangle APB, the value, this angle will be equals to what? 180 degree. Now this is given first. Now second thing is AP will be equals to BP because P is the outside point and AP will be equals to PB because of their tangents. Now if they are tangents, will this angle be equal? So angle PAB equals to what? Angle PBA. So from there you can easily calculate the angle. Somehow here you will find that this is an equilateral triangle. So the sides will be what? Equal. So this is 9, this will be 9 and this will be also 9. So I am going to tell you with the property, and this is the second part, second method of this question. Okay, so solution part. Okay, now we are not constructing anything here. You can write that given APB equals to 60 degree and P equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, then the solution is here, which is what? You are having AP equals to 9 centimeter, which is given. Now AP equals to BP. Why? Tangents from same point. In triangle, if I say about this triangle APB, in triangle APB, AP equals to PB, let's say it's 1, from first I can say this, okay. So AP equals to PB. Now what will this implies? That PAB, angle PAB will be equals to what? Angle PBA, angle PBA. Why? Isosceles side triangle, isn't it? Two sides are equal. So if two sides are equal, the angle made by these two sides will also be equal. So we have wrote this. Okay, we have written this. Now again in this triangle, what we have? Angle A plus angle B plus angle P. Now I am talking about this particular triangle. So I am considering this this angle and this angle and this angle only. Okay, that will be equals to what? 180 degree. Now which is given 60 degree. This angle APB. So angle P equals to 60 degree given. Okay. So angle A plus I can write angle B equals to angle A. Here I have this. Okay. So angle A plus 60 degree equals to 180 degree. From there I can write this 2 angle A will be equals to what? 180 minus 60, 180 minus 60 is 120. So 120 by this 2. So I can write it directly here. Okay, so that will be what? 60 degree. Now if it's 60 degree, so this implies that angle A equals to angle B equals to what? Angle P equals to 60 degree. Implies that triangle APB or BAP is what? Is equilateral triangle. And this implies that what? All the sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Implies that PA equals to BA equals to PB equals to 9 centimeter. So, the chord here, which is what? AB. So, AB will be equals to what? 9 centimeter again. Right? So, this is for this. Now, note this, students, so I can move to the next question. Okay? Noted? Right. Okay, students, moving forward with another question. So, we are having this another question here. Two circles of radii 20 centimeter and 37 centimeter intersect in A and B if O and O dash are their centers and AB equals to 24 centimeter, then find the distance O dash. So, can I have a rough diagram that what I am having two circles of radii 20 centimeter and 37 centimeter intersect in A and B. Okay, so I am having two circles intersecting at A and B. Okay, now radii is what? This radius is something and this radius is something. So, this radius is what? If O and O dash are centers, then AB equals to what? 24 centimeter. Then find the distance O dash. This is 24 and I am given with this radius and this radius. So, now I have to find it. Okay, so this is the rough diagram. So, I can make it again here like, okay. So, from now onwards, I will be having some good diagram. I can point out this here and having this. Okay, for you, I have told you that we will be having some good circles in next class. So, I am keeping my promise, right, students? So, it's a bit different, but we will be having the idea, right? So, it's a circle. So, now you can see this circle is actually a circle. Now, we are having the point here, okay, and we will be like, so I can just move closer. Okay, we are having different radius. So, I can have this as this. Okay, so we will be having this particular two circles here, right, students. So, I am darkening this circle again so that you can have the idea of these circles. So, you have to draw circles like this only, right, not the rough diagrams, but these diagrams. Now, it is saying that centers are what? This was the first center, this was the second center. So, if this is O and this is O dash, so I am having two circles of radius. The smaller one is 20 centimeter radius. So, that will be 20 centimeter radius, right, if I talk about this, right. Now, I am telling you that I am having another radii of 37. So, this is what? 37, which is O dash. Okay, and AB are the points which is their centers, and AB equals to 24 centimeter. Intersecting at A and B, na? So first point here is A and second is B here, and this AB is what? 24 centimeter. Now if this chord is AB and equals to 24 centimeter, then it's bisecting this. Okay, so if it is bisecting, then this will be what? 24 and this will be again 20. The complete length is 24. So this will be half. So it will be 12 and it will be also 12. So this will be 12 and this will be also 12 centimeter. Okay students, now you have to find the distance O dash. Now can I have this and this construction over there? Okay, so I can darken it. Right, now this is the radius, this is the radius. Now if these two are radius, then this is equals to what? 37. So this will be also 37 and this will be also 37. So write 37 here and 37 here. Now if this is radius, right, and this is also radius, so that will be also what? 20 and 20. So this is 20 centimeter and this is also what? 20 centimeter. So if you pick out this diagram, you will be having this situation over there. Okay, and you have to find out, you are given with this 12 and this 20, this 20. Here you are given with 37 and 37. Now you have to find the distance O and O dash. You have to find this distance. Now how will you find this distance? The simple students, in this triangle it is 90 degree angle. So what you can say that this square will be equals to this square plus this square, and similarly for this. So you can add this side and get the answer. So the solution part is simple. Solution. Okay, now do the construction work like this only and draw the proper diagram. Then here you can have, if you are having these points A, B and this particular point, okay, you have to name it. This is O, this is O, this is O dash. Now name it like, we have any P here? No, we are not having any P here, so name it P. So in triangle APO, in triangle APO, now if it's P here, this is triangle APO. Angle P equals to what? 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we have is this 20 square will be equals to this 12 square, this is 12 square plus, let's suppose this is equals to x. Okay, so this will be also x. So can I write x or AP? Let's suppose AP here. So this AP square will be equals to what? 20 square minus 12 square. Here we got it like 400 and minus 144. So what will I get? 6 from here and 5 from here and 2 from here. Okay. Now I am having AP equals to root 256. Okay. Now here again I am having this. Similarly, because they are congruent triangle, they are same. This is 20, this is 12 and this is something we have to find. So similarly, as AP equals to what? AP equals to PB. So if AP equals to PB, then I am having this equals to 2 root 256, right students? Okay, so now you can say that the value of this root 256 is what? 16. So that will be 32, right? So this is what? AP plus PB will be equals to 2 root 256, right? Now this is what? AB. So AB will be equals to what? 32 centimeters. The whole calculation was in centimeters. So AB equals to 32 centimeters are answer. Note this students, so that we can move to the forward question, right? So students, here the next question that we are having is two circles that touch each other internally. Okay. The sum of their areas is 116 pi centimeter square. Now this is the particular type of question. You are having this question in terms of area. Now area of a circle, I have told you in my very first lecture, this area of a circle will be pi r square, where r will be its radius of that circle. So we have two circles, so we will be having r1 and r2s, right? So their circles area sum is 116 pi square centimeter, right? And the distance between their centers, center to center distance is 6 centimeter. Okay, find the radius of the larger circle. So you have to find the larger circles radius. Now two circles are touch internally. That means what? This is one circle and this is the second circle, right? And let's suppose this is the radius. Okay, this is the radius of first circle, and this will be the radius of the second C2 circle. If it's C2 and it's C1, so it's telling me to know the difference between them. Now if I go further and I'll like be here having this scale thing, that I've drawn some line here. Okay, so particular line, let's suppose this line. Okay, from this if I made a circle, from this if I made a circle like this, so try to understand this question. If I made this circle, so this is the larger one, this is the larger circle, I am telling you. Okay, so this is the larger circle. Now what I am having? An internal circle which touches this. So there be, this is the radius what? This is the point O or center O. Now I am having O dash here. Now it's touching this now. So it's simply what? It will be of this dia. Okay, so can I just have this another circle inside this circle? So these circles are touching what? Internally. Okay. Right. So these are two circles which are touching internally. Now if this is the first radius, this bigger one, so this will be what? R1 and this will be what? R2. Now what is given? The distance between their centers. So distance between their centers will be what? R1 minus R2 in this case. So R1 minus R2 is given what? 6 centimeters to you. Now the sum of their areas. Now sum of their areas is also given. So how I will use the information? I am just coming to the solution part. The solution part, given I am having R1, this R1 minus this R2. Okay. Now this is circle C1 and this is circle C2. So R1 minus R2 is given to me is equals to 6 centimeters. Okay. Now I am given with this information the sum of their areas. Now if area C1 plus area C2 is given what? 116 pi centimeter square or pi square centimeter, right? So for the solution part, what will I do? Implies that what? What is the area of a circle having the radius r1 and r2? Area of r1 radius circle will be pi r1 square and this will be pi r2 square, simply 116 pi centimeter square. So now I can say that this pi will cancel, sorry, I have cancelled out 116. So this pi will cancel out ultimately. So this pi will be out of the equation. Now what it implies that r1 square plus r2 square equals to what? 116 centimeter square. So this is the second equation and we are having this first. Also we can have what? We can have the square of this given. Now equation 1, by equation 1 square this. So what will you have? You will have r1 minus r2 whole square will be 36. 6 square 36. Okay. That will be equals to what? This implies that r1 square plus r2 square plus, sorry, it's minus because it's minus 2ab. By the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. It will be equals to what? 36. This will give you, what is the value of r1 square plus r2 square? It is given 116 centimeter square to you. So 116 centimeter square minus 2 r1 r2. Now from this equation, what you get r1? r1 can be written as 6 centimeter plus r2, right? So this is r1. Okay, so I am replacing the value of r2. So r2 multiplied by, sorry, r1 multiplied by the value of r2. From here, value of r2 is equals to what? r1 minus 6 centimeter equals to r2, right? So I will write r1 minus 6 and I can write centimeter also here, r1 minus 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the value and that will be equals to what? 36. So if that's so, then 36 is what? Centimeter square. Okay, so I am not going with this units, but I am clearing it that 116 minus 2 r1 square plus 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. So 12 r1 I can write as minus 36 equals to 0. From this equation I am solving it here, students. So copy from here, right? So that will be 116 minus 36 plus 12 r1 minus 2 r1 square equals to 0. So I will check out minus and cancel out it. So that will be 2 r1 square. Okay, then minus of 12 r1, then 116 minus 36 is nothing but what? 0, and here that will be 8, right? So it will be 80. So it will be what? 80. So 80 of what? This is minus and we are having this is, so this will be plus, so it will be minus 80 equals to 0. So can I have it as r1 square minus 6 r1 minus 40 by taking what? 2 as common, right? Now can I factorize it? If I factorize it, that is 40. So how can I write 40? I can write 40 equals to 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now this is 10 and this is 4. So I can write 10 and 4 in this form. So I will write this r1 square minus 10 r1 plus 4 r1, that is 6 r1 minus 6 r1 minus 40 equals to 0. From there I can factorize it easily and have R1 common, so that R1 minus 10 here plus 4 common and R1 minus 10 again common here. So, it will be replacing with R1 plus 4, R1 minus 10 equals to 0. Now, look at this equation, students. If you got this, R1 equals to 4 as the root of the equation and R1 equals to 10 equals of the root of the equation. So, we are having two values of R1, that is first minus 4 and second 10. Now, can you go with minus 4? Can the radius can be in minus? No, it cannot be. So, if it is not in minus, it will be only plus. So, R1 will be equals to only 10. This implies that. So, what I am doing? I am clearing it till there. Okay. So, note it. So, from there, I will be having from this equation, let us suppose the second equation, okay. From equation 2, what I am having? R1 equals to minus 4, right, and 10, but R1 cannot be minus 4. So, R1 equals to 10. If R1 equals to 10 and R1 minus R2 equals to 6, so R2 will be equals to what? R2 will be equals to 10 minus 6, that is 4. So, R1 equals to 10 and R2 equals to 4. Now, find the radius of the larger circle. So, the radius of larger circle, R1 is 6, R2 is 4. So, obviously, radius of larger circle equals to R1 equals to what? 10, right? Because R1 is greater than R2. So, this R1 equals to 10 will be what? Your answer. Right, students? So, note this. So, either I can move to forward next question. Okay, students. Now, we will move to the next question, right? So, our next question is what? This. The radius of a circle is 6 centimeter. Find the perpendicular distance from the center of circle to the chord, which is length is 8 centimeter. Okay. So, we will just make the diagram. The radius of a circle. So, circle is this. Okay. So, for these two questions, you will write your language yourself. Okay. And the radius is what? 6 centimeters. Right. Now, find the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the chord, which is 8 centimeter of length. So, I am having a chord of 8 centimeter, right, and what again? Find the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle. So, I have to know this. Now, I am given with the radius equals to 6 centimeters. So, just I can draw it like this. If this is the center O, that will be A and that will be B. Okay. So, this is 8 centimeter and this is equals to what? 6 centimeter, your radius part. Now, you have to know this value. Let us suppose mark it P. Now, you can easily say I am just writing the solution part here. Your solution is what? In triangle OPA, angle P equals to what? 90 degree. So, this OA square will be equals to what? OP square plus PA square, isn't it? Now, students, BA equals to 8 centimeter, that will be the bisector. POS will be the bisector because it is at 90 degree. So, BP will be equals to PA. Now, it is 8 centimeter. So, that will be 4 and 4. So, can I write OA square, that is what? 6 square equals to OP, which we have to find out, plus 4 square. So, OP square will be equals to 36 minus this 16. So, OP will be equals to root of 0 and 2. If you solve this, that will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, that will be 2 root 5 in centimeters. So, this will be your what? Answer. So, mark this. This is your answer, right, students? 2 root 5 centimeters. Okay. So, note this solution, right? Now, moving to this question, to another, we are having this one question also, which is this. Now, in figure, O is the center of the circle. If angle BAC, this angle BAC is 52 degree, then find COD. What is COD? COD. So, you have to find out this angle, let it be theta. Now, you are having this angle 52. This is what chord, and if you are having this angle 52, this angle 52, now this is radius and this is radius. So, what will be? This angle will be equals to this angle, right? So, I can directly write in solution that OA equals to OB equals to radius, right, students? I am saying it in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, OA equals to OB equals to radius, right? So, what implies? This implies that angle OAB will be equals to angle ABO. So, these will be all 52, right? Now, this and this both are what? Both are what? Parallel. So, this angle will be ultimately equals to this angle X. Okay. So, can I write? AB is parallel to BC. So, angle BAO will be equals to angle OCB, right? Alternate angles. Okay. Now, if these angles are equal, that will be equals to what? 52 degree. This angle will be 52 degree. We have to find out COD. This is OCD, sorry, OCD. This is not B, student, this is D point, right? So, mark it and correct it. This is point D. Okay. So, CD, this OCD angle will be what? Implies that is AB parallel to DC. So, correct it here. It's to be corrected here that this is point D. So, that will be angle ABO will be equals to angle OC and D, right? So, it will be here OCD. This implies that what? This is your answer, students. Angle OCD equals to 52 degree. That's your answer. So, you just apply the basic theorem here of circle and you just add on one more thing, that some parallel theorem things, and you got the answer. Students, now revise all things and we will be meeting in next chapter. Okay, bye.